So we popped into a Kroger's here. I think we're in Liberty, Texas. I think that's where we're at. Got a Kroger right here off of I-69 and Texas 99. So we popped in here just for a little bathroom break, and while we're in there, we got ourselves a little chicken meal. So, you know.
Head south for Texas 99. Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
Unfortunately, the Ram McNally just totally died. So, you know, a little over a year having this, and it's dead. Well, I tell you, sometimes there's not much you can do. What the story is with that pilot that we left a little bit ago. Not one single spot was open. Lots of hot shot pickups, lots of bobtails, lots of drop trailers. I think it's basically used as a weekender's yard. Not as a real truck stop where people are coming and going all the time. There's a lot of people parking there over the weekend because they're at home. And that's the way it seems to me. I mean, maybe it was just dumb luck. That every single spot was filled. But that's my guess. That's my view of it. So I mean, it's a minor inconvenience, you know. Yeah, I got to spend another 40 minutes going to another truck stop. But you know, that's just the way it is. All right, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's the Love's right up there. Go around this little bit of a left-hand bend here and get off at the old exit. Alright, there's some parking spots in there. Like I said, we're about the same distances away from our receiver as that Pilot was. It's just on the other side of it. It's further west. Finally, we can actually park it. And they got an Arby's in here. Sure, they got showers and whatnot, so you know, it shouldn't be too bad. Let's see if we can't spin around here. Yeah, it's a small stop, but hey, you know. You gotta take what you can take. A little tight in here, but not so tight that I can't do it. All right. Try to even her up. Be nice and straighten the line. Make sure we're not, you know, taking too much away from anybody else, so everybody else can drive safely. Ready. There we go. All right. That takes care of today. And tomorrow will take care of itself. All right. We stopped here at the Loves, Waller, Texas. Highway 290, exit FM 2920. This is the Loves number 233. So you're going to be here for the night. It's cloudy. It's about 83. They're between 79 and 83. Because the weather app is saying one thing, the truck is saying something else. There's like an 11-mile-an-hour southwest wind. And it is humid as all get out. Let's see. 72% humidity. Ugh. So tomorrow morning there's a 30 to 40% chance of rain in the area. But hopefully we are not having to do that with a wet, having to roll up a wet tarp. Having trouble talking. So hopefully we don't have to deal with that in the morning. No, because that's a pain in the neck. Bad enough I got to roll up tarps anyway, but whatever. So far, the only upside to this Loves right now is they had a parking spot for me. Was in shower number 3. The shower head was half clogged up, so it was spitzing and shooting off at weird angles, and it wasn't a nice even, spray on the head. Temperature was good, the flow was good, the volume was okay, a little bit more, all nice and steady, except you got one hole shooting up 60 degrees that way, another one shooting 20 degrees that way, and 45 degrees that way, and this one actually shooting straight, and the other half, and the other half of them that aren't shooting crazy, they're clogged. So need to do some work on that. The registers are slow. Even the Arby's, slow as all get out. That's right. Just not a happy camper today with you know, with customer service. So it might have been a wise thing just to stay there in Lufkin and left there at 5 a.m. But we'll make the best of what we got.